In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magic Resize in Canva. If you've ever found yourself needing to adapt your beautiful design for different platforms or formats, but only had the original project file, you're in luck. Canva's Magic Resize feature is a true game changer, saving you the hassle of manually adjusting dimensions and ensuring your graphics always look perfectly polished and tailored for each context. To begin, head on over to the Canva website. Once you're there, log into your account. If you're not already signed in, just take a moment to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is straightforward and totally worth it for all the design magic Canva has to offer. Once you're in, open the design you want to resize. This could be an existing project you want to adapt or something you've freshly created. Now let's direct our attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll see the Resize button. Clicking on this is your key access point to Magic Resize. This is where the magic really begins. Give it a click and you'll be presented with an exciting array of options. With this feature, you have two main routes. If you have custom size specifications in mind, you can simply plug those dimensions in. Alternatively, if you're adapting your design for a specific purpose but aren't sure about the exact sizes, Canva conveniently offers categories to browse through. Whether it's for a Facebook post, Instagram story, or a YouTube thumbnail, you can find predefined dimensions that suit your needs. Once you've decided on the dimensions or categories, you'll move on to the next step, which is selecting the sizes you want your design to have. Canva allows you to select up to 5 different sizes at once, giving you the flexibility to quickly create multiple versions of your design. This feature is particularly handy when you need to prepare a cohesive marketing campaign across different platforms. After making your selections, it's time for the final step. Click on Resize this design. Canva will then work its magic, adapting your layout to the new specifications you've set. Depending on the complexity and number of sizes you've chosen, you might have to wait a few moments, but rest assured, this wait is nothing compared to manually resizing each part of your design yourself. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your single design into a versatile set ready to meet all your needs. Magic Resize empowers you to maintain consistency across various formats while significantly cutting down on design time. Explore the possibilities with this amazing tool, and you'll likely find yourself coming back to it again and again. Now you can sit back and enjoy your fresh, perfectly sized designs. Happy creating!